Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, back with another taste test. By the way, if you like these taste tests, you need to follow so you never miss one. Okay, now, today I have Frank's RedHot in the brand new dill pickle flavor. If you know me and you're a Hungry Girl fan at all, you know that I love Frank's RedHot. I always say Frank's makes anything and everything taste like a chicken wing. You can put it on chicken, on grilled chicken, on tuna, you can put it on a tennis shoe. It's gonna taste like a chicken wing. Frank's hot sauce makes everything taste like chicken wings. And it is my personal favorite hot sauce out there. So imagine my excitement when I read that McCormick was putting out a Frank's RedHot, tastes like dill pickles. This is literally dill pickle flavored. I one-clicked it the other day. Actually, I ordered from the McCormick's website. Somehow I two-clicked it. Okay, I lied. It was 2 clicks. I'm gonna try it now. I'm not trying it on anything other than like a drop on a spoon because I don't want the flavor to be masked by like a carrot or something else. But I want to see if it actually tastes like pickles and if it really tastes like Frank's mixed with pickles. I'm hoping it does. Wow. Whoa. To me, it tastes slightly spicier than regular Frank's, but that really hits you over the head with like a blast of dill pickle flavor. This is great. I would love this, like a few shakes of this on like a cheeseburger, pizza, some Hungry Girl recipe that calls for, I don't know, pickles, just to heat it up a little bit and give it some zazzle. This is a great product. I love it. If you like pickles, you're gonna love it. It has no calories. I'm not gonna go into the sodium because we all know hot sauce has a bunch of sodium, but check it out. Frank's RedHot dill pickle flavor, totally worth seeking out and trying. I am Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.